To Mason Putnell. Hi, man. I'm Tommy Chong here with my friend Mason from Stock Up 42. They make videos on investing, making money online, passive income, and money making apps. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Roll the intro, man.
Hi, Mason here with Stock Up 42. With all the crazy things going on in the world, such as mandatory things, food shortages, and job cuts, there has never been a better time to stock up. Yes, some of the only things mandatory in life are eating, sleeping, and dying. You should never have to sacrifice your personal beliefs, religious beliefs, or health to appease anyone. Although we have actor Tommy Chong in our YouTube community, we are not wealthy. I have a full-time job and my wife is disabled and cannot work. She doesn't get any monetary assistance from the government. That's right. So that being said, the apps we promote to earn free crypto, the videos we have to allow you to work from home, and other money-making opportunities, are things that we use on a daily basis to help us stock up. We have made thousands of dollars with some of these opportunities, and I'll put links in the description of the video for you. This channel is also not monetized. Any ads that are showing that money is going straight to YouTube. In order to be monetized, we would need 1,000 subscribers, which we do have, and 4,000 watch hours, which we do not have. The watch hours are accumulated by how much time someone watches our videos. Regardless of what side you take with the mandatory thing, I have to be careful with the words I use on here. We can all agree that inflation is happening at an extremely fast rate. Shelves are being emptied and the price of items are going through the roof. So should you be stocking up? Absolutely, but you should be doing it in a way that doesn't make it hard for others. You should never try to buy up everything. That's only going to hurt people that have children to worry about and people with low income. Instead, get ready to plant a garden, buy seeds, let your money work for you by investing, and take advantage of opportunities that will give you free crypto or money. It doesn't really matter how well off you are, the government is constantly at work trying to take it from you. They have been working overtime trying to push this mandatory thing, by increasing taxes, by allowing your employers to fire you for not taking something, and quite frankly that in itself should be against the law. So yes, you should be stocking up. Maybe buy a few extra things at a time, but do not try to clear shelves. Besides, that stuff will only last a little while. You may need things to last for a few years. So learn how to garden, join groups that are willing to help you, and look for alternative ways to earn money. We done a soil test today where we checked the conditions and minerals in the soil. Unfortunately, the test came back saying it was depleted, which means that without some fertilizer, compost, and some organic material we can't grow anything. This wasn't done by us, we have just recently moved here. So before starting a garden, make sure you test the soil. I try to make a couple videos every week, which is sometimes hard to do with my 3 young kids running around. Try to take care of each other, and until the next video, let's stock up together. God bless you and thanks for watching.